welcome to another vlog. Today is really different and I'm super happy to vlog something like this. As per the title, you already know I'm gonna surprise a subscriber of mine. So basically I wanted to do this since a long time. I really wanted to, surprise my subscriber, but whoever won the giveaway, they're not from Hyderabad, or they don't stay nearby, they are like super far away, and yeah, so I couldn't really do that. But this time I found out the giveaway winner is from Hyderabad, and she's been following me since a really long time, and she really wants to do a meet and greet with me. Like, she really wants to meet me. She asked me a lot of time, but even this giveaway, when I announced, she said she really wants to meet, and I said I'm not in town and all this stuff, just because I really want to give her a surprise. I hope she'll like it, so I'm gonna go. I've actually asked her to come to Adobe Mall. Her office is nearby, so I asked her to come over there. I said my team is going to meet her there and give the giveaway gift, but basically I'm gonna go and give her the gift myself. So yep, I hope she'll like it. Oh, by the way, all the giveaway winners I've been selecting and selected till now are very genuine. I mean, I don't really do any kind of a biased winners. I don't do that because everything is a random nitpicker. I actually follow a few of my followers if I really like their work, or they're super engaging with my content and I really like them, then I do follow them. So if I'm following somebody, it doesn't mean I know them personally. So yeah, please don't keep any grudges, and yeah, let's go. I booked the cab. I'm going to Norwood, and it's 1:18. I'm getting a call, so let's go.
Hello, so I'm at the Norwood. There's so many people, so I'm talking really low. I'm waiting for her. It's been, I don't know what's the time now, just let me check. Because I'm shooting on my phone. It's not really allowed to shoot with a camera in Norwood, but I probably will shoot when after she comes. Right now, I'm just, chilling here, and even my friend who is going to help me with this, she works at Norwood. Even she is going to take a little bit of time. I think she'll come in 10-15 minutes. I'm just waiting here for them. Till then, I'm just going to sit idle and do nothing. It's the worst thing. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. It's been 20 minutes or more than that, and these people just vanish. They're not coming. I'm so bored, y'all. Now they are here, but she has gone that side. My friend is going to get her this side. I'm gonna record everything so you guys can see that. I guess they're gonna come this way. Yep, they're walking. If you can see, I'm just gonna keep it that way. Ah! Do you see her? Okay. Hello. Is it? Oh, we are where? Hey. Do you like it? Yeah. I mean, do you like surprises, or do you like this one special, or how it's like? The meet was really special for me. Like, I didn't expect it, though I thought you will be here, but yeah, this was a very cool surprise. Oh, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna have a little chat and do some stuff, and I'll get back to you. Before that, guys, wait. We are meeting for the first time. Right. We are not friends. We just chat in like Instagram and all. That's it. We are meeting for the first time and really happy to meet her. Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, to all the people, I mean, few of them who are saying that I know them personally, who I'm gonna pick the winners. That's not true. You have proof here. Yeah, basically. Yeah, we'll see you soon. Bye. So we're just done with all our toppings and all the stuff. I think I'm gonna go home now and she's gonna head back to office and sad office story. So she's gonna go home and I'm gonna go and edit a lot of stuff. I have a lot of editing to do. And do you have anything to say?
I have said everything what I should.
I mean, I'm just hoping you're happy that I met you
You
today.
can see it on my face though.
Oh, chalo, we'll see you guys later.
Hey again, so I just came home. You can see the tiredness in my eyes. It is super hot outside. It's, I guess, 40 degrees. It's super hot. I got really tired just because of the sun, honestly. And I met Ashita. She's super cute and cool. You just saw her. She even said such good words, and we shared some knowledge. She really wanted to know about styling. I told her a few stuff, and we are definitely going to meet soon again. We kind of little bit of plans and stuff. So yeah, and also huge shout out to Sindhu. Thank you so much for helping me out in this. So she actually works at Orbit Mall. She is into marketing, and trust me, she's really good at it. But I asked her, I really want to do this kind of stuff, like I want to surprise my subscriber, and I really wanted to do it in Orbit Mall. She told me that Inorbit should be, you have to give credits to Inorbit and all this stuff. Like Inorbit, yaar, dekho ye kitni achhi marketing people you have. I mean, she's still thinking about marketing and stuff. Oh my god, she's amazing. I just came home. We spoke for a good 1.5 hours, and I think more than that. Yeah, it is around 3:40ish now, and I'm gonna do some editing. I have so much work to do. I have Goa vlog to edit. I have lookbooks to edit. I have this vlog to edit. I think I'm gonna do the Goa lookbooks first, and then the vlog second, and this one. So much work to do, and I'm traveling again this Wednesday or Thursday. So I have so much to complete, and literally I have so much to do. Like, even you guys asked me about my hair care routine, so I need to do that as well. Oh my god, I didn't really realize that I haven't been working since almost a week now, and I have so much to do. Wow. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'm gonna go get some rest a little bit for at least half an hour, and drink lots of water, some nimbu pani and all that stuff, and sit on and edit all the vlogs and lookbooks I've done. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I super loved it. I was super nervous as well when I was like waiting for her. So I hope you guys like it, and yep. I do a lot of giveaways, and I do this kind of surprises also, as you now know. So go follow me on my Instagram so that you can also participate in a lot of giveaways that I give, and they're super simple. You just need to be active. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Till I get out.